So it's a little bit after Christmas and almost New Year's. It's the week between Christmas and New Year's. But anyway, it's been kind of slow going. We've been on vacation. Anyway, the motor's out. Got it flipped over right now. Got one head off. That's the one with the leaky gasket. It didn't look obvious where it was leaking. Did not look obvious. Here's the head. I've been cleaning on it a little bit. Get some light going here. So here's the leaky gasket, or sorry, leaky cylinder. It seems all right. I've not had it checked or anything for flatness or any of that. Here's the gasket. So it would have been like this, probably. No, maybe like that. Yeah, there we go. So let's turn the light back on. Nothing here again, nothing completely obvious or anything, but it is what it is. So there's that. I did get some of the lifters fell out and I flipped it over. Got them right there. Got other miscellaneous parts. Got this valve out because the keepers kind of come off. There, I got the keepers right up here, right there. Oops. So had some fun with that. Anyway, I wasn't planning on taking that valve out, but one of the keeper halves come out, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get those back in. Hey, we ought to learn sometime, right? So there's where he came from. Just got the oil pan off, or unbolted, with my new DeWalt 1/2-inch beast mode drill here. Boy, this sucker is awesome. So we're going to pull the pan off and just kind of see how the rods are looking. Let me get a hammer and I will pop this oil pan off. All right, here we go. It's pretty loose. There we go. As far as I know, this motor's never been into. So there's the oil pan. Let me get a light. Don't see too many sparklies. Just some sludge from the antifreeze in there. Actually looks pretty decent. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. All right. Excuse me. That gasket out of the way. Ooh. He's a little bit loose. I mean, that's side to side play, or forward to back, not side to side. Feels pretty good otherwise. Oh, looky there. We got part of the, I bet that's part of the tensioner, or not tensioner, what am I saying? Well, the timing chain guides, I bet. Well, I'll have to get a screwdriver. Anyway, I'm pretty impressed. It looks pretty good. So I got him out of there. Took a bit of work, but it's a little plastic part. And then went back and looked at the guides, and sure enough, there he is. So that's what started the downfall of this motor, right there. Got some rattly timing chain guides. Yeah, fits like a glove. Look at there. Boing. Ended up in the pickup tube. So I've got put the head back on, just kind of gently put a little duct tape on stuff. Keep the water out. I'm going to use this. I've had it a long time. It's just kind of sitting in my garage to kind of get some of the stuff off here. Just give it a little pre-soak.